This is just a short presentation on a trick you can use to get your hunger pangs down to make yourself feel more comfortable while you're briefly fasting. Now, I recommend that you do everything you can to keep your ghrelin level elevated. Ghrelin is the hunger hormone, and the studies that have been going on for the last 3 decades have shown quite clearly that ghrelin is an essential part of your health, especially if you're trying to maximize your own strength, health, and wellness. This is a simple trick to keep your ghrelin intact but sort of blunt your hunger, to make you feel more comfortable and to enjoy the hunger sensation, the elevated sensibility that you get with hunger, without driving it down to the point that your ghrelin level is no longer effective for you. We have 3 types of tea here: chamomile tea, peppermint tea, and ginger. These 3 make a great combination for kind of calming your appetite. That is, without changing your hormonal levels. They make your tummy feel better. And if you do this correctly, they also make your brain more accepting of being in the fasting state for a while. We're going to combine this tea with a tiny bit of organic virgin coconut oil. This stuff is loaded with medium chain triglycerides. Also, it is a saturated fat, so it's solid at room temperature. That saturated fat and the MCTs, the medium chain triglycerides, are very soothing to your central nervous system. They make you feel better when you're not eating heavily. And also stevia liquid. This is a Sweet Leaf brand. Stevia can be dissolved in water, and this is an aqueous solution, water solution in a glass bottle. It comes with a dropper. The 3 bags are placed in a cup, and by the way, they smell absolutely delicious. Add 1 cup of very hot water. And then let it sit for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, squeeze the bags out gently. Improves the flavor, makes the flavor more robust. Add about 5 drops of stevia. More or less, and some people prefer no sweetness at all, but I find that the sweetness does help blunt the hunger sensation and maybe the hunger mentation as well. While it's still hot, add about 1/8 teaspoon of the coconut oil. Stir it in nicely. At this temperature, it blends in fairly well. And you can see it on top. Now this makes a very warm and satisfying drink. It's delicious. It's easy to do. It makes your tummy feel a little bit more full since it's kind of warm. And it has all sorts of factors involved that calm your thoughts about food. They help blunt that drive to go get something to eat, like to go directly to the refrigerator, and also elevate your mood a little bit. You can make it last about 5 minutes. Most people feel better if they do something like this, and then they don't have to go get something to eat and drive their hunger hormones down and then suffer all the consequences of that. Now, I'll tell you, those hunger hormones are there for a purpose. Our metabolism is built around them. If you drive them down, you lose your health, and also you lose much of your own mentation and personality. I have a brief report discussion on ghrelin on the YouTube channel, Leo Whiteside MD. Give it a look and give me some response to that. And if you have criticism, please do let me know, and I'll improve.